Hello friends. In today's video, we will be discussing about one interesting company, which is in niche business and is a micro cap stock, which means the market cap of the company is less than 1,000 crores. Before going to the stock name and technofunda analysis, you can hit the like button, and you can also share this video with others. Let's start. So the stock name is Cupid Limited, which is in healthcare medical business. Everyone knows about the company. So without wasting time, let's start. As you can see, this upper blue line, this is the resistance for the stock as of now, and I have opened the weekly time frame. So the level of resistance will be around 280 in this case as and I have drawn one more lines. So basically, this is a triangle pattern or the consolidation of the stock. So as you can see, the stock had resistance at this level. It took resistance at around this level. The stock had support at this level, and again at this level. The stock is currently consolidating, and it is trading near in this triangle pattern. So probably it had touched the support line, and now the stock can head higher to touch this upper resistance line. So currently the stock is very bullish, and swing traders can look out for the opportunity in this particular stock. So the current price is 242, and the swing trader can keep a target of around 250, and stop loss will be this particular low 20 around 209. So this is for short term perspective. Long term trader also can accumulate this particular stock by taking the same stop loss, and the target will be 250 for them. Then it will be 280, and if this stock gives a breakout about 280, then the target of the stock will be higher. So let's discuss about the target as also. So I am assuming that stocks give a breakout about the Cupid gives breakout about 280 anytime after 1 to 2 months. So I will calculate target on the basis of range calculation, and probably we will be getting a target of around 500 plus in this particular case. So as you can see the cursor, the target is 500. But again, this is the probability. We can't say that it can give a breakout immediately. But yes, a trader and an investor can keep it in watch list because currently the stock is trading near support, and buying near support means it is giving a low risk buying opportunity for trader as well as the positional investor or trader. So one can check out this particular stock for short term or positional trade purpose. So this is all about the technical analysis. Let's go to fundamentals. The company description, you can read it over here. So it's in medical health company, and as you can see, you can visit the site and understand the business. It is very niche commodity business, and many people know about it. So I won't discuss much about the business of the company. So just check the market cap of the company. It is 291 crores, which is means it is a micro cap company, and the book value is 98 with the current price is around 218. So which means the price to book is around around 2.1, 2.2. And if we see one more thing, the market cap is 291 crores. So if we check the reserves of the company, it is 118 crores. So which means the 33% of the market cap is in the form of cash reserves. So the company is fundamentally very strong. Also, the borrowings of the company is zero, which means this is a microcap company, which is a debt-free company. It doesn't have any financial obligations over it. So the company is fundamentally strong. Also, if we check the profit and loss statement, then the company's revenue is increasing year on year. And if we check the EPS and net profit, so net profit had also increased year on year. Apart from this FY21, probably this will be because of the pandemic situation. If we check the company dividend payout, the company is paying regularly paying dividend for the last 6 to 7 years. So company is having a good track record with the investors as well. If we check investors shareholding pattern, then promoters shareholding is almost constant around 45 percentage. FIs don't have any stake in this, and common public have stake of around 54 55 percentage. And if we check the promoter pledging in this, then there is 0% of promote pledging in this particular company. So the company is fundamentally strong because it is a debt free company. and also the company is paying dividend. A micro cap company paying dividend is a very big deal. And so apart from this, the entry and exit we have decided over entry and target level stop loss we have decided discuss in this particular technical analysis video part. So you can check out this again if you have missed this. So this is all about the Cupid Limited. You can like this video and also do share this with others so that they can also get help from our analysis video as well. You can subscribe to our channel also and hit the bell icon so that you get notified for all the videos that we upload. There is a disclaimer also with this video. Thank you guys.